Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an attempt on a fade because this is my first time ever using clippers, and I'm just trying to do this because I know they're about to shut things down again, and I just want to be able to at least shape his hair up when the barbershops are closed. So please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and let's get started. So here I'm starting off with some trimmers to start the first layer on the fade. These trimmers did not give us a very clean, close shave that I thought they were gonna do. I don't know. It just was not as clean as I thought it was gonna be. If you recommend something different, please let me know in the comments below. So here I'm going in with the clippers with no guard, and the clippers are open, and I'm just going to make another layer to start off. We'll continue with the fade, shall I say. So here I close the clippers and I'm trying to blend out the line. And once I finish blending that, then I'll open the clippers halfway and do a full blend. I tried to use a number 1 guard, but I didn't see any difference it was making on his hair. So then I switched it out to a half guard to continue with the faded look because the one wasn't doing anything. You see here with the half guard, it's doing much better than the 1 guard, and I continue to create the fade look. At least I'm hoping that's what I'm doing. I'm not trying to set them up. So here my son is explaining to me what she does in the back when he goes to the barber shop, and I keep showing it to him so that he can tell me if it looks right or not. He told me that she normally leaves his sideburns there. I was going to take them off, but I wasn't too sure about that, so I left them alone. But at least I got one side done, and it looks decent. So it's not professional. It's my best try, first time ever. I'm excited with it. He's excited with it. That's all that matters. Made it through without any injuries, and now I'm gonna hold my breath because I'm gonna try to trim his hairline. And I am so worried about this and so nervous because I do not know what I'm doing whatsoever. So I hope it turned out okay and decent. Please comment below of any recommendations you may have. Only positive comments, please, no negative ones. And thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video. Here are the final results. And ladies and gentlemen, we have smiles. We did it. Yay!